Does ALDI take Apple Pay? Yes. Aldi accepts Apple Pay at all of its stores, making it easy for customers to pay with their iPhone, Apple Watch, or other Apple devices. Here's everything you need to know about using Apple Pay at Aldi. 1. Does Aldi accept Apple Pay in-store? Yes, Aldi accepts Apple Pay in all its physical stores across the United States. You can use your Apple device to make contactless payments at checkout. 2. How to use Apple Pay at Aldi. At checkout, hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the contactless payment terminal. Authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode. Wait for the confirmation beep or check mark on the terminal screen to confirm your payment is complete. 3. Does Aldi accept Apple Pay for online orders? Yes, Aldi accepts Apple Pay for online grocery orders placed through delivery services like Instacart. When checking out through the Instacart app or website, you can select Apple Pay as your payment method. 4. Benefits of using Apple Pay at Aldi. Faster checkout process with contactless payments, secure transactions with built-in Apple Pay encryption. No need to carry physical cards or cash. Earn rewards if your linked card offers cash back or points. 5. What other contactless payment methods does Aldi accept? In addition to Apple Pay, Aldi also accepts Google Pay, Samsung Pay, contactless credit and debit cards. 6. Does Aldi charge fees for using Apple Pay? No, Aldi does not charge any extra fees for using Apple Pay. You only pay the amount of your purchase. 7. What Apple devices can be used to pay at Aldi? You can use Apple Pay at Aldi with iPhone, with Face ID or Touch ID, Apple Watch iPad for online orders, Mac for online orders through Safari. 8. Tips for using Apple Pay at Aldi. Add your preferred payment card to your Apple Wallet before shopping. Ensure your device is charged to avoid issues at checkout. Double-check your transaction on your device after payment for peace of mind. Aldi accepts Apple Pay both in-store and online through Instacart, offering a fast, secure, and convenient payment method for all your grocery needs.